Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on Samsung Galaxy M15. To do this, first we'll need to find all of the speakers on this device, first one being right here on the bottom, another one is located on top of the screen and that's a phone call speaker. And that would be it. That's all of the speakers on this device. Then to determine if they are stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music, cover each of the speakers with our fingers. If the sound is coming from both of the sources, that's the stereo speaker. If not, that means this device doesn't have it. Let's try it out. So clearly sound is coming only from a bottom speaker and not from the phone call speaker, which confirms that this device doesn't have the stereo speakers. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.